Viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn about how to use the Correl function in Excel. The Correl function in Excel is used to calculate the correlation coefficient between two sets of data. The correlation coefficient measures the strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. A correlation of +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation, and -1 indicates a perfect negative correlation, and 0 indicates no correlation. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here we have a table with add expenses and their sales amount. To find out the correlation between add expenses and sales amount, we need to type here is equal to, type Correl, open parenthesis, highlight the add expenses, press comma, and now highlight the sales amount and close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that it's a positive correlation between add expenses and sales amount. So that's how we can use the Correl function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more videos about Excel.